Welcome back to the channel, guys. This is Future Trading with Mike, and once again, I'm trading the Emini S&P 500 futures. All right, so okay, the balance came down here. All right, so I'm taking a quick little scalp to the upside, back to 88.25 area. Just a quick little scalp, trying to get filled there. Price could come down and bounce in this area right here. We have a little low volume node, but it is an area where we have prior liquidity sitting in and resting at. And we should get filled here quickly on this little trade here, hopefully. The price can come a little lower, so I knew that it could possibly do that. It could actually come down here and test the 85, around here, 85 and a half. So I know it can come a little lower. So let's look at the full range here. But yeah, welcome back to the channel, guys. Appreciate everyone for watching the videos, following the channel, and liking the videos. This is my recorded session of the Emini S&P 500 futures. Okay, come on. All right, should get filled here. Oh, hit my profit target and bounced off. You guys saw that? Come on. Let's see if we can get filled here in this quick little scalp. Market is actually okay. We just got filled there. Market's moving to the downside. We can see that, but it's bouncing at an area of support now. So we'll be mindful of that area. All right, let's see what we got going on here. So yesterday we saw the market push up, breaking some key levels, and taking out some areas of liquidity, of course, right? So now the market's moving to the downside after bumping up against, let's see, yeah, bumping up against the all-time high sitting up here. So the all-time high is sitting up there around, I think it's at 47.13 area. No, excuse me, 47.11 area. I'm sorry. So price pushed up to 47.10 yesterday and bounced, rejected from that area and pushed lower. So, all right. So, let's see what we got going on here on the 4-range chart. So we kind of broke through some areas of liquidity yesterday, bumped up back up against this area here of resistance, and yeah, just waiting to see what price is going to do. Yeah, I'm waiting to see what price is going to do now. So, all right. Let me see here. Okay. So we came down, we swung down, making these little swings to the downside. We just took out this little area. That was a low right there. And we just took that area out to the downside. Okay, so we'll see what price does. This is looking at the 12-range chart. So price is kind of, like I said, bumping up against that area right there where there was support at, and is bouncing where that red line is at. Okay. All right. So let's see if we can get a pull back here to 87 and a half. May not. Yeah, not 100% sure yet. Okay. Come on. Price can come down here, but whoops. Can pull back a little bit. Trying to see what price can pull to. Ah, come on, fill it. All right. It can come back a little lower though. It can come down actually to 87.5 more likely. One. We'll do this right here. Don't know if we'll get filled here. Ah, the Peacock just shifted to the downside. I'll go ahead and take one contract there. Come on, push up. There we go. Just got filled. All right, so my second little trade there. Okay. All right. Price can bounce in this area right here, so I got to be careful. Gonna look and see what we have on my trade performance. Off those two little trades. Today's the 17th. Wednesday, November the 17th. And let me see. I'm up 22 ticks right now, so little 22 ticks. I'll show you. 22. Okay. So I'm just scalping right now. No major moves in the market. Price bouncing off an area of support. And that's why I take the trade, guys. Simple as that. Okay. So I'm just going to wait and see what's going to happen. Price could continue pushing lower. It's went up here and bounced off an area of resistance. So we'll see. Let's see here, guys. I forgot to put my headphones on. Hopefully you guys can hear me pretty well. All right. So yeah, I'd like to know what some of you guys are trading. What are you guys trading in the markets? I trade the Emini. I trade the futures. I mean, so time to time I'll trade the future of the Russell. I kind of stay away from the Nasdaq. Kind of moves pretty quick, but I could trade it though. It's just, it's a fairly fast moving market. You do get lots of movement. You do get lots of like the ES, it trades in a range. So I'd like to know what some of the markets you guys trade. So, comment below if you don't mind. You can drop me a comment and just let me know what you trade. That's all. Yeah. I know you guys, lots of you guys watch the channel and just I'd like to hear who trades what. How long you've been trading. Whatever market you trade, and And why you like trading that market. So if you don't mind, shoot me. Just put it in the comments below. I'm sure other people would like to hear what people have been trading as well. Do you trade the currencies? Do you trade do you trade forex? Do you trade stocks? Options. What do you trade? Bonds, crypto. What do you trade? All right, so we're at the PLC, right? So I'm going to stand down right now. I'm not going to do anything. Um, so the market opened up around somewhere in this area right here. So we'll see how much movement we get in the market today. Yesterday was pretty good. I was waiting for price to break certain levels yesterday, or areas where there was resting liquidity sitting in the market. Like right here, there was liquidity. Price came down, and it pulled back to an area where there was prior liquidity sitting there, so it was a good support area. And when price broke this, pulled back to this purple line right here, and then broke higher, I entered a trade. I think at the close of this candle right here. And then there was another area right here, resting right here, where there's money in the market, pretty much right here. Well, right here. Let's see. Let me double check. Yeah, right here as well, in this area. So the market pulled back and came to an area where there's prior support at, and when it closed above, let's see, yeah, the candle here closed above, I went long. Yep, went long and took out this area here. So I think I took 2 solid trades yesterday, and I took good profit. So all right, so right now we're in an area where there's support at. So we'll see. We're in this high volume area as well, so be mindful of this area here. So we'll just wait to see what happens. Also, what days of the week do you guys trade? Certain days in the week you guys stop trading? Not stop trading, but kind of withhold from trading. I know some people don't trade on Wednesdays, and some people don't trade on Fridays. Um, what's it like in other markets? Is Monday, Tuesday, and Thursday good days, or actually is Wednesday a good day and Fridays are good as well? So I like to hear from other individuals that have been following the channel to see what markets you trade, what specific days you trade. You part-time trade, you full-time trade. You know, uh, okay, so price is breaking lower. All right, we are breaking lower. Um, hmm. Excuse me. Um, I'm not sure if price can come to this area right here. I'm just looking, guys, so please bear with me. Let's see what happens here. Um, yeah. Hmm. Price is pushing lower. Probably could actually come down and test this high volume node right here at 77, 77 and a half. More than likely. Good. Let's see if we get some rejection. As always. Hmm. All right. I know I'm a little too early on this trade, but let's see. Come on. Price is probably coming out. It can actually come out here and test the 77.5 area. Um, yeah, we can actually come back down here and test this area first, around 80. Come on. Okay, pulling back. We are pulling back. We break this area here. Let's see what happens. I don't want to call it just yet. Let's see. Okay. I did mention price can break lower, right? It can break lower. So I want to see it stay above this area right here, and it needs to break above this. So I'm hoping it breaks 82 and 3/4. It's not doing it yet. If we break this area here, we should push up. Hmm. Okay, so it's forming a little area of liquidity here on the bottom. Okay, let's see what happens here. Moving sideways right here. Price can go either way. Push lower, push higher. I'm early on the trade. I should have waited for the break of, as I said, 82 and 3/4. So we'll see. We can push a little lower though and test, like I said, um, this area here. Come on, work hard. Not sure what's going to break it to the upside. Moving sideways right here is the VPOC is probably going to shift to the downside here in a minute because of all the volume that's being built in this area. Bring the first contract down one tick. Okay, we got filled on the first contract on 2 points. Come back down here and test this area right here at 82 3/4. Okay, we just got filled, right? All right, good trade there. All right, and that was rejection and price coming down and pretty much coming down and testing this area of support right here. Okay, you got clear W formation right here. Clean. Price retraces, pushes up, retraces back, and pushes higher. Actually, you want to probably take a trade when the price comes back down to this area right here at 81 3/4. If it does, I'm not saying it will, but if price comes back to this area right here, you'll be solid, probably more likely to take a trade, a long entry. Okay, now if we're moving back up to an area of resistance, so I'm just going to stand down. Okay. So yeah, maybe around this area right here, you could get a bounce if price came back down to this area. Just depending what happens when price gets back here. Let's see. Price has just hit an area of resistance, like I said, right above us at 86 1/4. So that was a retracement trade to an area of support, confirmed level, and looking for the rejection. Once we got the rejection, once price gets down back, retraces back to that confirmed level of the area of support. I'm looking for rejection. I switch over to my 4 range and I start seeing the W, say, for instance. And then what happened here, price, kind of, it didn't come to a tick, just a few ticks shy of that. I think it was, we'll see, 3 ticks, whatever it was. And then price pushes up. It kind of forms this little W here. Now, you could take a trade on the retracement right here. If price gets here and, just depending on what it looks like on this little swing to the downside. So, we'll see. Yeah. Come on. I'm not sure what it's going to do. But yeah, price is pulling back after making this little high right here yesterday. Pulling back. Trading's not as hard as you think it is. I mean, but you got to do your due diligence. You got to spend time researching and perfecting what it is. It's not something you just learn overnight, guys. You can't just just think you can just study the charts right off the bat and just pick it up. I mean, so because it's a lot that goes into trading. It's just not a red light, green light. Look at it set up and then boom, taking a trade type thing. You've got to understand why the markets are moving the way they do and who drives them, meaning who moves the markets. And once you understand that, then you're good to go. Because you want to be able to trade like the big players, which are the institutions, and that's the key. That is really the key to trading. I'm not even going to be here and sit here and even, you know, BS anyone. So we haven't had much, the market really opened up around this area right here. So we have this is the small little area is all we've done. I moved in this morning. All right, so it didn't come down to the tick, and it's already pulling away from that area. So but we have resistance above us. Be careful. So I'm just going to wait and see what happens. All right, I was a little late on this trade here. Okay, a little late on the trade here. Price came back down to my target area here. I mentioned price can come back down to this area right here. You can take a trade or get a little entry at the close of this candle here to the upside, just for a few ticks, guys. Nothing much. I'm late on this trade here though. Price can come down just a little bit. Okay. Okay. Um, okay. Yeah, I'm just gonna take a quick little scalp. Nothing much. Just a quick little scalp here. Let's see. 84.50. Yeah. Mm. Come on. Just scalping a little, just scalping. This little pullback here. That's all I'm doing. Mm, mm, yeah. I really want to see price. I wanted to see price come back to this little high volume node right here. Um, okay, got filled there on a little entry. But this was on the pullback right here to this area right here. This area right here was your entry. Okay, you could have taken it. If you would have got in right here, I was a little late on the trade. Closing this candle, then you would have been fine for, let's see, 8350. Let me see here. Yeah, you've been fine for about a point and a half right there. So could have scalped it. Okay, two contracts that have been 12 ticks. So okay, so I just got that little area right there. Not sure what it's going to do from here. So it's because it's at the VPOC right now. So I'm going to stand down and wait to see what happens. Okay, I'm taking a little trade. 88.50. Just taking a quick little, I think, let's see. Yeah, it's taking a little scalp, guys, to the upside here. Okay. And we should get filled here. It's bouncing. 88.50. Should get filled on this. Okay, there we go. We just got filled on a little entry there. I was taking a little scalp to the upside. Saw price break in this area right here. And knew it would reject somewhere in this area right here. So, or the bounce, I should say, or halt, pause, whatever the case is. So, just took a little scalp right there. That's all that was. Okay. So, but I'm just going to stand down right now because we're trading around the PLC. All right, so the market's been pushing higher. Okay, so we're kind of breaking some levels to the upside here. We see. Let's see. Okay. Uh, yeah, I mean, we could actually get a pullback to this area right here, where the VPOC's at, to be honest with you. uh, yeah, we can get a pullback there. So let's see. There's a level sitting here now. Let's see. Let's break in this area here. Okay. All right, let's just wait it out and see what happens. I'm trying to see. Oh, the market's pushing higher, ain't it? All right. No problem. But yeah, let's see. Hmm. Hmm. Okay. The market's just been pushing strong to the upside right here. Um, yeah, we can get a pullback to this area right here at 80, 87, 46, 87 area. Yep, we could definitely get a pullback to that area. We'll see what happens. See what happens. Okay, so just waiting to see. Really just waiting to see what the market's going to do, guys. Want to see if it come down to this area down here, but not 100%. Okay, come on down. Mm, hmm Not sure, not sure. We shall see. Hmm. All right, okay, so we'll see what happens here. Uh, yeah, just gonna see what happens here. I'm not sure if the market's gonna go down. If it's gonna continue pushing higher. We'll see. Haven't had too much activity since the market opened. I know I've already said that once, but we really haven't, guys. The market's pushing down. Coming on down. All right. So this is the point where I'm not 100% sure. Let's see. It could come a little lower and test the VPOT, which more than likely it probably will, in all honesty. So we'll see. Yep. And there she comes. Okay. All right. So that's fine. Come on down. I mentioned this is an area right here. Oh, oh, oh. Man. I entered the trade too early, so I did mention that this is an area here where price could um, bounce from. Oops. Okay. All right. So 88.25. We'll put two contracts. Oh, I got him with three contracts. Okay, I didn't mean to do that. That's okay. All right. So, okay. I need to see it stay above this area right here where this red line is at. So you see it kind of moving, zipping right here. Okay. Come on up. All right. Come on and hit the profit target area. Ah, close above. There we go. So I know that price can come back down here and test this area here at 86 and 3/4. Come on, feel it. Ah, we'll take two contracts right there. And I'm pretty sure it should come right. Okay, there we go. So we'll take our last contract right here. There we go. All right, I knew it would come to this area right here. I mentioned that price would right here where I had this red line at. There's an area for price would come back and pull back to and reject. It did. It formed a little. It zipped right there, formed a little W. So what you can do is actually take a trade when price comes back down here to the VPOT pretty much, which is a dangerous area to take a trade from, but it more likely it may come back down here and then you can take a trade. So now I'm waiting to see um, what the price is going to do right here. Okay, let's see. Yeah, I'm long, guys. Long here, and I'm looking for price to come up and take this area here out at 46.90, 93 area. So I'll take my first profit target at, I'm gonna do 90, 91 and a half. So I know we got quite a bit of area to cover here, but and then the second one at 92 and a half. Play on the safe side. Okay. So we'll let this, we'll sit in this trade here and see what it, play it out, see what happens. Okay. All right. We are in the trade, and hopefully it comes up here and fills us and takes out this area right here. Let's see what happens here. Looking for it to come up and take out 46.93 area. So that's what I'm hoping happens here. Okay. Come on. Okay, we keep bouncing back and forth. Maybe we're going to move up now and move up and take out this area here. We have these highs sitting at, so let's see what happens. All right, we're up 2 points. Hopefully we get filled here. Unless, it could pull back, but see what happens. We will see what happens. We will see what happens. Come on, push up. We're looking forward to take out this area once, like I said, right here. There's right here. We are 2 ticks away from hitting that area, and yeah, that's what I'm waiting on. One tick away from hitting 3 points on that first contract. Bounced off, right? It's okay. We'll drop that down just 1 tick to get filled here on 3 points on that first contract. Now, let's see. Okay, we just got filled there. Now I'm looking for price to move up and test this area up here. 92.25. Should take this area here out. Hopefully it does. Okay. So I'm gonna stay in the trade here. At this point, what I'll do is to lock in profit, I'll go ahead and place a stop. Or you may go ahead up here and push up here pretty quick. I'm gonna take profit right here at 92.25. Okay. I'm placing a stop right below this area here. We are 1 tick away from hitting that profit area on that second contract. Bounce right off of it. Bounced off of it again. Come on. So price could pull back to this area right here. I mean, it hit my profit target and bounced right off. Okay. Yeah, not sure why it's not wanting to take this area here out right now. It should take it out though. 93. I'm gonna go ahead and take profit here. There we go. Just got filled. Okay. So that's the last trade I'm gonna take it for today, guys. That's gonna be it. Price probably will come up here and take out this area right here at 93. Either way, I appreciate you guys watching the channel, following the video today. It is a little longer than normal, but we did get into some solid trades today. Thank you guys for watching. If you subscribe to the channel, thanks. If you don't mind, go ahead and drop a like on the video. I appreciate it. And if this is your first time watching the first time watching my video, one of my videos, I am trading the Emini S&P 500 futures. And yeah, please subscribe to the channel. Drop a comment in the comment section below. 'Cause I like to see and hear from individuals to see what you're trading, what markets you trade. Talk to you later, guys. Stay safe in the market if you're trading today, and I'll see you in the next video.